Hello everyone, welcome back to SpearTrades. Today we're taking a look at the technical analysis of XRP. We're currently on the SpearTrades dashboard, and if you'd like to join SpearTrades, you'll find the link in the pinned comment and the description below. Now, let's jump straight into the chart. XRP is approaching one of the most important levels on its daily chart. Since November 2024, XRP has managed to hold the $1.05 support, making it a key level to watch. As long as buyers continue defending this zone, the overall structure remains intact. However, there is another challenge. Since February 2026, XRP has respected a descending resistance trendline and has repeatedly failed to break above it. That means the market is still forming lower highs. So right now, XRP is trading between a strong support level and a long-term descending resistance. If $1.05 is lost, the next major support sits around $0.78 to $0.79, which is roughly 25% lower from current levels.
On the other hand, if XRP breaks above the descending resistance while continuing to hold $1.05, that could be the first real sign that bullish momentum is returning. For now, these are the two levels I'm watching most closely. If you'd like to explore how XRP has performed historically, simply click on the Past Returns section on SpearTrades. There, you can view its weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly historical performance to better understand its seasonal trends. What are your thoughts on XRP? Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't joined SpearTrades yet, you'll find the link in the pinned comment and the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.